I am so excited to show you the KEDSUM rolling shopping cart. And this thing is pretty amazing because you're not limited to just shopping. You really could use it for so many things because it has this great feature that I've not seen on other carts: stair climbing wheels. So as you roll this, you've got some stairs to go up. Boop, boop, boop. This goes right with it. But let's take a look at all the details of the actual cart itself. And I set it up so you could see it a little bit higher. But it comes on, you've got this dolly here. Okay, so here's the back of it. This dolly can accommodate up to 300 pounds, even going up the stairs. The bag itself attaches really easily. There are these two straps here. And then when this folds all down, and I'll show you that, it's so compact, fits easily, trunk of your car, back seat of your car, in a closet, no problem, nice and compact. But let's look at all the compartments here. So you've got a nice zipper compartment here. That's deep. You got to put your phone, wallet, fits real easily in there. Then you've got the option where you can either have it as, like a smaller, a tighter bag, goes down to that. Or if this is really full, if you've done a lot of shopping or a lot of moving of maybe stuff out of storage, you can have this at the full capacity and still have everything covered. So, and then also, if you need to get a snug fit, you've got this here that you can tighten this. This will tighten this bag all up, or you can have it loose. Now, inside, there is also pockets. So you've got a very, let me show you, large pocket here, right? And then this is a deep bag. So as you see, all the way down. I mean, the whole length of my arm, and I'm kind of squishing the bag at that. Really nice water resistant canvas, or canvas-like. Really, really top quality though. So let's do this. And let me show you here. Again, we've just got the back, these two straps, and let me take it apart and show you what it looks like folded down. So you're going to press this button on top. That's just going to get that handle to release. Go down a little more. This comes off just like that. And then all this folds down, okay? So for storage, you're going to go easily to that right here. So you go from the full-size bag that comes up to here all the way down to this. Then if you want to take this whole thing off, let me undo that. Take this off completely. And then you have got, oh, I forgot the bottom part. That's just a Velcro strap. Take that off. And then that is the dolly. So when you get this, take it out of the box. You're going to get this complete. There's nothing to assemble. Go ahead, pop this on here. So again, this is the KEDSUM 2-in-1 shopping cart. Really, so many options with this, whether you're grocery shopping, holiday shopping. Think of the amount of presents you could fit in this thing. Or hauling stuff for your kids' sports games, whatever. So many great options with this. I think you're absolutely going to love it.